Hey guys. Hey guys. We need flowers for a hummingbird. We just buried it. I got a couple pictures and there's no flowers around.
Oh yeah, right here.
He's got to pick a flower. Mostly we will got to pick a lot of flowers.
Yeah. Like the hummingbird. So let's check out here.
Comment down below if this is a good job in burying a hummingbird.
Oh,
I'm recording.
found some.
Okay, I'm gonna give it some berries.
Yeah.
These berries hummingbirds eat.
I think it's
Yeah, put it in my hand.
just 3.
If you think this is right, like this video. If you think this is wrong, don't like this video and try to ban this.
Yeah.
If you ban this, I will find you.
That's fine because we don't know.
Oh crap!
That's fine.
Flip that. Put it up. If you subscribe, subscribe.
What are you crying for?
I hope you subscribe.
Kaylin, why are you crying?
Okay.
Oh, but this don't
We better bury it right here.
of the crying and the other stuff.
And St. Caitlin
That would be another
video.
Yeah. Bye.
I'll avenge it. It's dead by poison.
Well, and dying by cat.
I can't, but we still love it.
Well, I think this is
Who
the
wants the?
video.
Yeah. You solved everything.
Bye.
Bye.